Welcome back, creators. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated cordless impact drivers. One of the first power tools you should always buy is a cordless drill or driver. Its versatility and functionality make it a jack of all trades that you can surely use for any project. However, we would like to point out that investing in a dedicated impact driver can make your job even easier. It's suited for a number of other tasks such as building decks, screwing down plywood, installing tile backer board, or any other job that requires driving long screws into wood. For today's video, we'll be looking at 7 of the highest rated cordless impact drivers on the market, so you can sit back, relax, and take your pick after watching. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the cordless impact drivers that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first cordless impact driver in our list is a DEWALT impact driver. Those looking for enough driving power to build a garage or a shed need to look no further than the DEWALT 20-volt max impact driver. Aimed at both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this can serve you well for everything from menial tasks to specialty jobs. In terms of size, it has a maximum chuck size of 6.35mm and a weight of 2.8 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT impact driver a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: powerful and compact tool. The driver's powerful torque, compact size, and weight of just 2.8 pounds make it among one of the top options for an impact driver. Ergonomic handle design. It includes an ergonomic grip that offers good control for extended use. Good battery life. The driver comes with a 20-volt lithium-ion battery and charger, providing 40 minutes performance on a single charge. Simple switching. It features a one-handed hex chuck to easily switch between bits. Increased visibility. There are 3 LED lights that brighten dark corners, providing you with more visibility. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is limited runtime. This is not a brushless driver, which means runtime is slightly shortened. The second cordless impact driver in our list is a Porter Cable impact driver. The Porter Cable 20-volt max impact driver kit is a decent option for those looking for a ready-to-go quality tool with extended runtime. It has overall dimensions of 11.4 by 3.7 by 9 inches and weighs in at just 2.9 pounds, making it suitable for extended overhead use. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Porter Cable impact driver a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: extended runtime. The brushless motor of the cordless impact driver provides 50% more runtime. Immensely powerful and reliable, it offers as much torque and rotation speed as some of the more powerful drivers on this list, and it didn't bog down at all during the fastener insertion and removal tests. Great battery life. It features a 1.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery capable of running for a whole hour on a single battery charge. Useful battery indicator. It comes with a built-in battery status indicator that makes it pretty easy to tell when a battery is getting low without the need for an indicator. Ergonomic design. The tool is well balanced and features a rubberized non-slip grip for comfortable use. It's an all-around impact driver that would come in handy for DIYers. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is design shortcoming. The belt clip is held in place by a single tiny screw, which brings to question the driver's long-term durability. The third cordless impact driver in our list is the CRAFTSMAN impact driver. CRAFTSMAN has long been a brand associated with quality tools at affordable prices for the DIY user. Its 20-volt impact driver continues that tradition, as we found it to be a dependable and solid performer throughout our product testing. In terms of size, it measures 11.68 by 3.41 by 8.88 inches and weighs 2.05 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the CRAFTSMAN impact driver a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: powerful and compact. It delivers 3,100 impacts per minute and a maximum speed of 2,800 revolutions per minute, which is very impressive for its lightweight size. Versatile use. The driller is suitable for inserting and removing fasteners quickly from softwoods and hardwoods. Brushless motor design. It has a brushless motor, which is typically about 30% more efficient than an equivalent brush motor. Extended battery life. The driller comes with a 2 amp-hour rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which lasts nearly an hour on a single charge. Increased visibility. It has an LED work light that helps you see the insides of hard-to-reach spots. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is no battery indicator. The only downside is that you can't tell if the battery is getting low, so make sure you check the battery often. The fourth cordless impact driver in the list is the Avid Power impact driver. This impact driver from Avid Power can easily hold its own among higher-priced light-duty drivers. It features a very competitive motor and torque. As for its size, it has overall dimensions of 11.8 by 10.24 by 4.13 inches and a weight of 2.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Avid Power Impact Driver, a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. High torque. The driver features more impressive torque than larger models, featuring 2,700 revolutions per minute and 3,800 impacts per minute. Designed with safety in mind, its non-slip rubberized grip is a great thing to have, especially when doing extended jobs in your workshop. Improved visibility. The impact driver has a very nice set of LED lights that clearly illuminate the work area. Fantastic household addition. It's a light-duty impact driver, which makes it more than suitable for most household needs. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is short runtime. It can run continuously for just over 30 minutes, which is a little less than most of the other products on this list. The fifth cordless impact driver in our list is the POPULO impact driver. This compact 4-pole motor impact driver from POPULO provides higher efficiency, has double the work output of a regular brushed 2-pole motor, and provides efficient and economic performance. In terms of size, it measures 6.7 by 3.1 by 9 inches and weighs 4.41 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the POPULO impact driver a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Battery fuel gauge. The built-in battery fuel gauge helps you monitor the charge precisely, so there's less downtime on the job. Powerful and stable design. It features a robust design combined with rare earth magnets for durability and more power. Designed for durability, the metal gear housing increases its endurance while delivering maximum application speed for greater efficiency. Reversible belt clip. The all-metal reversible belt clip helps to keep the driver engaged when you're on the ladder. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is inconvenient chuck insertion. It can be a bit of a hassle to have to pull the chuck to insert a bit, especially when compared to others where you can just push them in and they lock automatically. The sixth cordless impact driver in our list is the GALAX Pro impact driver. This impact driver from GALAX Pro comes with a special chuck design that makes changing bits a seamless process, eliminating the requirement for any extra tools. As for its size, it has a maximum chuck size of 6.35 millimeters and a weight of 2.3 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the GALAX Pro impact driver a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Powerful battery. The cordless driver comes with a 1.3 amp-hour lithium-ion battery and a charger for extended runtime. Useful battery indicator. It comes with a status indicator on the front of the battery to display how much power is left before it requires a charge. A variable speed trigger. A variable speed switch allows you to control your drilling speed as you see fit. Ergonomic handle design. Its soft rubber handle provides a comfortable grip for being breezily operated with one hand. Useful belt hook. The kit includes a belt hook attached to the base of the tool so you can attach bits while you're high up on the ladder. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is odd charging port design. The peculiar spot of the charging port can make charging a bit tricky if you aren't familiar with it yet. The seventh cordless impact driver in our list is the Makita impact driver. This impact driver from Makita delivers power and speed in an ultra-compact size for driving and fastening applications. It weighs only 2.3 pounds and yet is capable of delivering up to 970 inch-pounds of torque. This makes an ideal solution for people looking for a more compact impact driver with less weight or for applications in tight spaces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Makita impact driver a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. High quality and durable. Makita's proprietary hammer and anvil are made using the highest quality steel, ensuring great quality and long service life. Increased visibility. The built-in LED light illuminates the work area so you can get jobs done even in those hard-to-reach spots. Convenient chuck design. The 1/4-inch hex chuck design allows for quick bit changes without any help from other tools. Battery status indicator. It features an integrated LED battery charge level indicator so you can check on your battery levels as you work. Helpful battery design. The battery protection circuit protects against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is limited battery capacity. The only gripe about this ultra-compact impact driver is its shortened battery life, which can be cumbersome to work around for extended jobs. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest-rated cordless impact drivers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next cordless impact driver roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.